Black Friday rolls in and the hunt begins. Scrolling through the deals just to see what wins. Then your screen lights up with a little surprise. Secondhand branded, got the stuff that vibes. Cameras gleaming, retro tech dreaming. Sony, Nikon, Canon, all the classics beaming. Vintage gold at a price that's right. You know you gotta click cause it's going tonight. So snap it up, Black Friday's on. 20 to 45%, these deals won't last long. From film roll magic to digital clean, you'll find the gear that turns moments to dreams. Snap it up, before it's gone. Secondhand branded, where the legends live on. Old school Walkmans, retro tech thrill. Gadgets with a heartbeat, memories to fill. Tested and ready, they're good as new. History in a box delivered straight to you. Snap it up,